So hello everyone, welcome to this new lecture. So in this lecture we are going to see some more problem on complex number. So these are the few special type of problems. Okay. So among these problems you are going to these are the most important problem from the first exercise of any book. Okay. I'm not saying about the mixture of type book, but I'm saying like RSI Go, Lardy Sharma or any other special good books. Okay. So these are those special type of problems. Let's start this one. So let's solve this one. So what they have said in this question, I to the power n plus I to the power n plus 1 plus I to the power n plus 2 plus I to the power n plus 3. See, n plus 1, n plus 2, n plus 3. These are the 4 consecutive numbers. Okay. So in such problem, the answer comes 0. Hey, in the first lecture the last problem was also similar type. I think 2020, 2021, 2022, 2023. I have taken 4 consecutive numbers. Similarly, in this is the general type problem. In this problem, we are going to take any 4 consecutive numbers. Okay, so let's try. So I to the power n. So what I have said in the last lecture, we are going to take common. Which one? We are going to take the smallest term common. Okay, so let's do it. So I to the power n common. So 1 plus I square plus I cube. So I to the power n is there. Okay, 1 plus I plus, what is I square? What is the value of I square? The value of I square is minus 1 and value of I cube is minus I from the last lecture. Okay, so I square is minus 1 and I cube is minus I. See, minus 1 and minus 1 are getting cancelled out. I and minus I are also getting cancelled out. So I to the power n into 0, that is 0. See, the right hand side came. Okay, so this is all about the first problem. Okay, so let's directly go to the second problem. So hello everyone, so this is the second problem in this lecture. So what they have said, I to the power 23 and I to the power 29. No, 1 by I to the power 29. Yes, 1 by I to the power 29 is same as 1 by I to the power 29. How? Let's see. First, what we will do for the I to the power 23? What we will do for I to the power 23? Simply, we will divide 23 by 4. Then we will write that old formula. What? Dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. That one. Okay. So let's try this one. So if we divide this one by 23, 4, 5 are 20. So remainder is 6. Okay. Then what will be I to the power 23? I to the power 23 equal to I to the power 4 into 5 plus 3. And what is I to the power 4? This is always 1. It is 1 to the power 5 into I to the power cube. 1 to the power 5 is 1. What is I cube? Minus I. Can you recall from the first lecture? Yes. So minus I. Done. So what is the value of I to the power 23? It is minus I. Okay. Now I to the power 29. So let's divide this one with 29. So on dividing this one we are getting the remainder only 1. And what is the quotient? 4. Sorry, 7. Okay. So I to the power 29 is equal to I to the power 4 into 7 plus 1. That is I to the power 4 to the power 7 into I. Now I to the power 4 is 1 and 1 into I is I. So simply I. Now this part. I to the power 23 is minus I and I to the power 29 is I. Okay. So if we start from the left hand side, then I to the power 23 is minus I plus 1 by I to the power 29 is I to the power 4. Okay. Now wait a second. 4 or 2. Sorry everyone, this one will be 2. Okay, not 4. This one will be 2, not 4. Okay. So now what we will do for this one? We know I to the square, I cube, I to the power 4. But here 1 by I, that means I to the power minus 1. We don't know anything about this one. But you must remember this one. Whatever we are having, we will always convert it into either I to the power 1, I to the power 2, I to the power 3, okay, or I to the power 4. We are going to manipulate it and somehow to convert in those fours, okay. So let's try this one. So what we will do here is I into I. We will be multiplying I both in the numerator and the denominator, okay. So I into I, that is I square. Minus I is already there from before, plus at that we are having I square up I whole square. Minus I is there. So what is the value of I square? I square minus I. That means minus 1. Minus 1 into I to the power whole square. Now if you multiply minus with the plus, then it will be minus, okay. Minus I, that is minus 2I, that is minus 2I whole square. Understood? That means minus 2I whole square, okay. What is minus 2 into minus 2? Minus 2 into minus 2, 4. And what is I square? Minus 1, that is minus 4. That is the right hand side. See? Understood? That means this one is the minus 4 and this one is the right hand side. Answer everyone. Is this one visible? Yes, this one is easily visible. So note down this everyone. So let me try the next one. This is the third problem in this series. So what they have said in this question? Minus 2 into I. Inside the bracket, in the next bracket, 1 by 6 into I. So what we are going to do? We are going to separate the real part and the imaginary part. Okay? So how? Minus 2 into 6, okay, and I into I into I, as multiplication holds the commutative property, that means AB equal to BA. Understood? Those commutative properties that you have read in the lower classes already, in class 6, 7, 8, okay. So everyone, this is 1 by 6, okay. So minus 2, 3 times, that is minus 1 by 3. Now what is I into I? It is I square. And what is the value of I square? Minus 1. Minus 1 into minus plus minus 1. That is minus into minus plus, that is 1 by 3. Understood everyone? Understood? Okay, next one. So this is a very special problem that I am going to write now. The question number 4. Okay? I guess this one is visible. Still let me write this one. 4 into root over minus 4 plus 5 into root over minus 9 minus 3 into root over minus 16. Note down the question everyone. Note down the question everyone. Yes, it is easily visible. So let's try it. So let's try this one. 4 into, what is root over minus 4? Root over minus 4? Hey, you already know this one, root over minus 4. The minus is going in the minus is getting separated, and the 4 is getting separated. So minus root over minus 1 into root over 4. Root over 4 is only 2, and root over minus 1 is iota. Okay? That means we can write this one as root over minus 1 into root over 4. Okay? What is root over minus 1? That is I. What is root over 4? That is 2. 4 into 2, 8i. That means this one is 8i. Understood? Similarly, this one 5 into 3, 5, 3, 15 I minus this one 12 I. Now just calculate this one. 8 plus 15 plus 12. See this one, 15 minus 12 is 3i plus 3i plus 3i plus 8i, this is 11i. Understood? Yes, if you can solve this one, then this one is very easy. If you can't solve this one, then no worry. Okay, either you are going to solve this one in very easy way, or you are going to make it too much complex, like as the name says, complex number. Okay, so think in a calm mind. Okay, don't be in a hurry. Okay, okay. So next, take the next one. Can you solve this one? Can you solve this one? Okay, let's try this one. First tell me, what is root over minus 1? Iota. Root over minus 1, we already know this one is iota. Okay? Minus iota to the power 4n plus 3. Okay? Now, 4n. Okay? See this one. Let's say we are having minus 1. Minus 1 to the power 4 means minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1. If you multiply minus 4 times, it will be even. It will be even number of times. That means plus. Similarly, minus I to the power 4n. Let n be any integer. Okay, let n be any integer. But if you multiply something with 4, it will be an even number. Also, I to see this one. See this one. I to the power 4 is 1. We already know this one. I to the power 4 is 1. So minus I to the power 4 is 1. 1 to the power n is 1. So this one simply becomes 1. Now what about this one? Minus into minus into minus. 3 times minus. Already it will be a minus. Okay. Now, okay, let's write this one minus. What is I cube? I cube is minus 1. I cube is minus I means minus iota. Okay. So minus iota. 1 into this one is this one. Minus into minus is plus. Minus into minus plus. Are you getting my point? Okay. That means that's just iota. You understood? You understood everyone? Very beautiful problem. Question number 6. I guess this space is visible. Okay, I will check. Let me write the question first. I minus 1 by I square plus 1 by I cube minus 1 by I. So this one, what we are going to do? What we are going to do here? There are many ways of solving this one. There may be more easy way than I am showing. There may be more hard way than I am showing. Okay. Okay. Let me do this one with the formulas that we already know. Okay. What is I? Keep this one as I. Okay. Don't be in hurry. Okay. Don't be in too much hurry. Do think one step at a time. Okay. Don't just mix all the steps. Then you will be getting confused and doing some silly mistake. Fully cross. Fully wrong. Okay. Don't be in hurry. Think one step at a time. What is the value of I square? I square minus 1. So minus 1 into minus plus 1 by 1 1. So simply we can write this one as plus 1. Okay. This one I cube. What is the value of I cube? Minus 1. Understood? That means we can write this one as minus 1 by I. Okay. What is the value of I to the power 4? 1. 1 by 1 is 1. So simply we can write this one as 1. Wait a second. Sorry. Minus 1. Yeah, the minus sign is there. By mistake I put it here plus. Okay. So it will be minus. Okay. Do correct this one. Okay. Now see everyone. For plus 1 by I minus 1 by I. Plus 1 minus 1. So directly 0. Okay. And the teacher and the student may do like this. See, I is there. What I said, we are going to convert everything in I to the power 4, I to the power cube, I to the power square in any of them. So he may do something. Multiply I to the power cube in both numerator and denominator, I to the power square in both numerator and denominator, I in both numerator and denominator. Then he may solve. Okay. In this way, you can easily solve it. But I guess this one is the easiest way. Okay. If you know more easiest way, then do comment me. Okay. So till then, thank you everyone. Do all the homeworks and keep trying. Thank you. Bye bye.